that. Yeah. Alright. Alright. That's good. Now. Let's have a look over here, see what we can do. Very good, we're far enough up. Alright, are we going to be alright up here? Position over for another shot. Good, I think. Well, we're just about done, I think. All right, we'll bring her back. Right, come on you, get out of the way, little drone. Come on, you can come land. Come on. We don't want the other one landing on top of you. Come on. Thank you. Alright, you need to tap and hold that button to make it shut down. Fall back. Power lines, I hope. Alright, gimbal up. You. Spot on where you took off. Awesome. No, it's fine, you're just seeing reflections. Come on. Land. Thank you. Alright. Okay. And we're good. GoPro, stop recording.